Hi, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am on a water damage in Rehoboth. And I want to flip this camera around. I really want to show you some of the tools that we use in a water damage and why you should hire HydroHero anytime you experience a water loss due to things like a broken pipe or storm damage. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so here we are in this house that had water coming from overhead damaged the ceiling, and it ran down this wall here. As you can see, the wall looks dry, but once we put one of our specialty moisture meters on there, you can see that the reading is wet. You really want that percentage in like the dry wall to be about 9% or less in our area. The other thing you can see is we also have microbial growth forming as well. And if you look at this hardwood floor, everything kind of looks fine. There's no standing water, but this has started to cup and buckle. Once you put a moisture meter on it, get this back on, you can see that we have elevated readings here as well. So we would check that in an unaffected area, the same type of building material, and dry it back down to that similar moisture content. That's just one of the things that we do at HydroHero when we're handling a water damage. Proper mold inspection evaluation to help make sure that things are covered that should be in a water damage insurance claim. Have any questions, give us a call at the number below and find us on the web at hydrohero.com.